warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Anissa Astuti from 4CM. In this video, I would like to tell you how to use Arduino IDE. Before that, there must be something to prepare, a laptop or PC and Arduino IDE application. So, let's get started. If you haven't installed the Arduino application, let me show you where you can find it. Go to the browser, make sure your laptop or PC has internet, then go to search bar, type Arduino and click search. Click on the software sections. Go to download option and customize with your PC or laptop. And after process download finish, install the Arduino application. Let's start with open the Arduino application. If you first open the Arduino application, then there is empty sketch. Let me show you how to create a new project. Click the file and click new project. Or you can click this button. Here I will show you an Arduino program to include in the Proteus. Click the file and click open project and choose which file you want to open. Well, this is an example of Arduino program. You can make your own program as needed or you can search for references in Google. To be inserted into the Proteus, the Arduino program must be compiled. The way is click sketch and then click verify or compile, or you can also click this check button. After the process compile finish, search at the end there is ino.hex, then log it. After that, open the Proteus file that will be entered by the Arduino program. Right-click Arduino and then click Edit Properties. Back to the Arduino application, copy the one we blocked by Ctrl+C, paste in Program Files, click OK. To know the program is correct or not, then click play button to simulate Proteus. Finally, Arduino program successfully to run a sensors in Proteus.